make the description of the balance, how much the balance. This for the example for the content. And customize the type of size, and then duplicate it to for another box, and customize it, change the content. And after that, maybe we can make it more neat, but I think like this. And then we're gonna make the another content. Crypto coins balance. This content that's for user. Choose what wallet that he use. Maybe I'm gonna make it like this. And I duplicate it, and then this for the identity of the coins. Maybe in the what we said, in the ellipse or in the round, we can make it like Bitcoin, like the image of Bitcoin. And then the concept is like, in this content maybe there are Ethereum and Bitcoin or Doge or another coins that we can choose what coin we will use. How we said, what coins we wanna use it. We can choose in the section of crypto coins balance. And then this for the balance, like BTC we have 1 coins or 0 and 9999238 Bitcoin, or the important it's like balance of the coins in here. And after that, under the section, the box of the the option Bitcoin, we're gonna make the option of another coin like Ethereum, maybe that's or Doge, or another coin that was trending in the market. And maybe like this. And the dashboard is for the hot wallet. Oh, I forgot for adding the icons of navbar. uh, for the icon we can use the plugin is the hero icon, and we can use it and customize it. That's the notification icon, like this. Maybe this word for the white space, or and then maybe I gonna find for the icon of option or setting, like this. And we can make it more neat, like this. And then I gonna try to customize the line or the stroke, not line, sorry. And maybe maybe like this. And I wanna customize the icon, and then maybe the icon is here. I just try how the design is not look like a monster or some sorry. And then after that we customize it until it's look like perfect, and after that I duplicate it, and after that maybe we can customize the size, customizing the white space for the navbar around of icon. So sleepy. And then after that we can make adding the shadow for the icon of navbar. And then after that after I customize the shadow, maybe I gonna make it higher than now, and then for the example, when you so the UI maybe it was finished and the UI it was already to use maybe, and that's tutorial of making UI of dashboard Hotwallet. Maybe that's for me. Wassalamualaikum. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.